Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Kahle kahle guys, misicabanga kahle le ndaba. When we think about this matter well, what Mpumelelo is basically saying is that he wants to make Vuyokazi, like he wants to downgrade Vuyokazi from her position and make her umamncane. As we all know, Mpumelelo has, from last season, Mpumelelo basically said that Yena he wants to marry a virgin, you guys. But like one thing that makes me think when I think about Umsiligu, like he dated like his wives for years before he married them. And I don't really know the reasoning behind that. Or maybe was maybe a finances like the issue, and that's the reason why he married them like years later. But I'm even thinking about Mpumelelo. I'm really wondering, you guys, if Mpumelelo, because Mpumelelo said himself that he loves women. And if you look at Mpumelelo, guys, he's not ready to settle down. If you're being quite honest, he's not ready to settle down. Guys, at his peak, he's still enjoying his life. So I'm wondering if they're not using, if Izinkane's Tembo is not using the very same strategy of Uthando Nesthembu. Uthando Nesthembu, they've been using Indabaga wife number 5 to keep us glued to our screens. And I'm wondering if they're not using the very same narrative with Mpumelelo, that he wants to take a first wife that is a virgin. But I saw on the upcoming episode that he says that, quite frankly, Sega Moshile, meaning that he then, touched a virgin. But I really am curious to see, because I don't even see this Mpumelelo settling down. I don't even see his father advising him to settle down right now. I know he says that if you impregnate a woman, you must marry her, but there's no timeline for that. And I'm thinking, like, is that the reason why maybe Vuyokazi is like is this the reason that's making Vuyokazi like go crazy so much? Because the idea of Mpumelelo taking another wife as a first wife means that basically she's getting demoted from her position, guys. And remember, Stenjin, like your position, ranking of wives, as Mselewe said, is everything, Stenjin. So basically, if you wife number 2, the wife number 1 is your mother. In other words, she's your mother, because a lot of things that you guys do has to pass through wife number 5. If wife number 5 is not comfortable with at least the major things, if she's not comfortable with it, then like the guy has to like soften her and work his way till she comes around. And I think maybe that's what's making Vuyokazi like go crazy. Like, you want to demote me, and that's an embarrassing thing, guys. It's an embarrassing thing, and I think it comes with maturity. I think the fact that Mayeni even like engained into Isthembu, knowing very well that she was like the first love amongst the women who are present, was like it took a level of maturity. But I'm just like, I don't see it out of like Uvuyokazi like accepting to be like the second wife. So I don't know, you guys, if they're just playing with us, and like this thing, they're gonna run this thing for however long. I don't foresee even like Mpumelelo like settling down anytime soon. Mpumelelo is fairly young, guys, if we're being quite honest. And Umayeni was quite honest that like, why should you even be tying the child down to getting married? He's young. And she said that she basically said in a nutshell in the last season of, was it Izinkan's Temp or Uthando Nesthembu? I'm confused, because one thing about them Selego family, guys, they are begging it. 3 shows on like one AI, guys. Are they begging it? So anyway, she did say that she doesn't feel like Mpumelelo should like tie himself down by getting married. He's still young. And quite frankly, I don't see Mpumelelo ever talking about, I've never, like, maybe correct me, you guys, has Mpumelelo ever spoken about marriage? I don't remember. I know Kulumango Mam, Kulumam and rankings, but marriage, I've never heard him speak about marriage. So, someone is even saying that you don't know what Mpumelelo promised to Vuyokazi. And true, we don't know, but I'm just like, everyone is fighting for just a position. because position is everything, Estenjin. And I'm just like, I girl, like, yo, angazi, like, I want to say I feel sorry for Vuyokazi, but hey, girl, like, and the thing is, it's been done on national TV in front of everyone with two kids. Like, he better not do that. Like, if she's gonna fight and she really wants to be in it, she must make sure that she fights well, because she must not settle to be wife number two. But then again, I'm also thinking of Uvuyokazi's character. One thing about Uvuyokazi Upanzi, she's very like she's, how do I say, I don't want to say she seems humble, but one thing that I've realized about us people, we confuse just because a person is soft spoken and then we say they are humble. Just because a person doesn't have much words, then we say they are humble people. And that's not necessarily the case. But how I'm just like, I don't know if Yogazi has like the characteristics to be umam cool. I don't know, because the way her and Tirole fight, the way they were fighting last season and this season, I even saw something where they were placing hands on one another. I don't know. I don't know. But then again, like, you have to give it to them because they are young, and when you're young, and like you still at the peak of your life, in a sense, you're not gonna just let someone like walk over you. As opposed to like when you are older and you're just like, you know what? I've got more things to like worry about. But yo, Vuyagazi, like, I really feel it for her. So I'm really curious to see, are they really toying with us, or Umalilo really is out of his mind? Please do make sure that you like the video. Please also to subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.